Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tech. Today we will be discussing how to use Multiview on YouTube TV. Are you tired of flipping between different games or news channels? Well, YouTube TV's Multiview feature is here to solve that problem. It lets you watch up to 4 different programs at the same time on one screen. In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know to use Multiview effectively. We'll cover what Multiview is and who can use it. How to find and select Multiview streams. How to customize your Multiview experience, including audio selection. Troubleshooting common Multiview issues. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to Rome Tech for more helpful tips and tutorials. It really helps the channel. Okay, let's get started. First, let's quickly address what Multiview is and who has access to it. Multiview is a feature offered by YouTube TV that allows subscribers to watch multiple streams simultaneously. This is perfect for sports fans who want to keep an eye on different games at once, or for anyone who wants to follow breaking news while catching up on other content. Currently, Multiview is available to all YouTube TV subscribers. However, it's important to note that the availability of specific Multiview options can depend on the event or programming being offered. Now, let's move on to finding and selecting Multiview streams. The easiest way to access Multiview is usually through the YouTube TV home screen. You'll often see dedicated rows highlighting available Multiview options, especially during popular sporting events or news broadcasts. Alternatively, you can sometimes find Multiview options by navigating to the specific sporting event or news program you're interested in. Look for a Watch in Multiview button or a similar prompt. Once you've found a Multiview stream you want to watch, simply select it. YouTube TV will then load the different streams onto your screen, arranged in a grid layout. Usually, the primary stream will be larger, with the other streams displayed in smaller windows. Now that you're watching in Multiview, let's talk about how to customize your experience. One of the key things you'll want to control is the audio. By default, YouTube TV will usually select one stream's audio to play. However, you can easily switch between audio tracks. To do this, simply click or tap on the specific stream whose audio you want to hear. This will usually bring that stream into focus and activate its audio. The exact method might vary slightly depending on your device. Unfortunately, YouTube TV doesn't currently allow you to have audio playing from multiple streams simultaneously. You can only listen to one at a time. Finally, let's quickly touch on some common issues and troubleshooting tips. If you're experiencing buffering or lag while watching in Multiview, it could be due to your internet connection speed. Multiview requires a relatively strong and stable internet connection to stream multiple feeds smoothly. Try closing other applications that are using your internet connection or try restarting your router. Another potential issue is compatibility. Multiview might not be available on all devices that support YouTube TV. Make sure your device meets the minimum system requirements. If you're having trouble finding Multiview options, make sure that the event you're trying to watch is actually offered in Multiview. Not all programs support this feature. And there you have it. That's how you use Multiview on YouTube TV. It's a great way to stay on top of multiple events at once. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.